Okay, it's a rainy day 3 and here we go. 3. Off we go. Yeah, so what I did last night was I did electrolyte drink during and after. Well, I think just from a standpoint of mental stimulation, to the idea of the process of walking the full trail rather than doing the shortcut, you know, because
Short Hills Provincial Park.
yeah, I know, but where's my dot guy? Oh, Wadley Road.
Oh, there's the,
Yeah,
and then dinner after?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
And
That's-
you can join us for dinner after?
Yes,
Okay.
that's the show about the blind woman.
Kettlebell, so you're holding it, and you decide on how much slack, not slack, but the length of the strap you're supposed to make it. I know, yeah, right. But I'm not holding.
I know Whale will go down. You want to go down the base of the fall?
If I put more, I wouldn't be
Want to go down there? Yeah, you can go down there. There's a path.
basically, affirms that it takes time to process all of our feelings around
Because that could be cool.
This is not like being wet, very slippery.
Now it's just snow. Oh, I don't think it's that late. Oh, 3:01. Yeah, well, we do need to keep moving. Like, I was thinking, oh, should we be doing 20, you know? And then because I was thinking that factors into
To tie it, this needs to be just tighter.
Okay, yeah, I can
just
certainly do
stuff.
that. Yeah, of course.
'Cause I'm just noticing it's a lot more wobbly, and that might
Yeah.
be why my ankle's starting to hurt.
Yeah.
Looked like I was sitting that. Okay.
There was a turn right sign back there. Oh, this is a gorgeous valley. Wow. Oh yeah, we'll be able to. We'll be fine. Yeah. We drove past the flashes on the road, so if yeah, no, that thing that I saw back there, that was not it at all. But we're coming out now. All right, that was a long walk.
It's too dark.
It's too dark, but you know what? We're here.
We're
It's
here.
it's
We
very
made
dark.
it. We could go around, turn around, see where the
Oh,
view
yeah.
is maybe.
Oh, yeah.
Can we
No.
get in there? Too dark.